Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing your Instagram cache on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down Settings and tap on Apps. Scroll down the apps and open Instagram. Scroll down the Instagram settings and tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache in the bottom right corner of the page. Your Instagram cache is now cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.